Hi there, my name is Boris and it will be a short video. I'm so sorry. I lost my microphone at a garage, in my garage, and today it will be a bad sound, sorry. And today I want talking with you about sound, about there is summer and there is a lot of people. There are a lot of people outside on the evenings, and there are a lot of couriers on a little motorcycles, a little it's something like Vespa, but it's not a Vespa, it's Chinese little motorcycles, and it's a big problem for our city today, for this moment, because in the summer a lot of these young people work as couriers, and there is a good opportunity for these people, but also it's young people with big problems with sound, with the quiet, with respect for older people, because it's young people. And we have some problem with this. It's a lot of mopeds, mini motorcycles, without exhaust, because these couriers put off this exhaust system, drop down this, and these motorcycles work without exhaust, and it's so noisy, and it's a terrible sound. It's not a good sound from from big motorcycles with a good exhaust system. No, it's so annoying sound. It's not nice. It's not something deep bass or maybe something else. No, it's noisy, it's terrible, and it's a little scary for children, but it's our reality today, and we have some laws against this behavior, this annoying behavior from youngest people, but as I see, it doesn't work, because our cops aren't working with this, and it's a problem for us. And at the night there are a lot of noisy moments at the night when these couriers, or maybe not couriers, it's also young people at the night with these little motorcycles without exhaust system drive these motorcycles, and it's annoying, terrible behavior. But as I heard, this law will be works maybe from next month, and a lot of these motorcycles will be fair, and it will be punished. We will see how it will be works, but for this moment it's as I told, it's a problem at the night with big annoying sounds. Thank you for watching today. Thank you for your patience. Sorry for my bad sound today, and see you tomorrow. Bye.